Hello everyone. Happy September 23rd. Today we celebrate sign language, dogs and politics, and the joy of journaling. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. First up, it's International Day of Sign Languages. Honoring the beauty and importance of visual communication. A great gift could be a sign language learning kit, a book on deaf culture, or a donation to accessibility programs. Do you know any signs? Let's celebrate inclusion in the comments. Next, it's Dogs in Politics Day. A quirky nod to famous canine companions in government history. A sweet gift could be a presidential pup plushie, a dog-themed trivia game, or a photo frame for your own furry leader. Which dog deserves a spot in the Oval Pawffice? Let's vote in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends. They'll thank you later. And finally, it's Celebrate Bisexuality Day. A day to honor identity, visibility, and love in all its forms. A thoughtful gift could be a pride-themed journal, a supportive book on LGBTQ+ stories, or a donation to a bisexual advocacy group. Let's celebrate love and inclusion in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for October 21st to 25th, so you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone, more celebrations are coming tomorrow, stay awesome.